Peace be upon you all students. Hope you will be fine, comfortable, along with your family members, along with your youngers or siblings also. Dear students, once again I am in front of you with a wonderful topic, with an interesting topic that you will surely confronted with this topic in T2 exams. So you will concentrate me, you will cooperate me so that you may take advantages from this topic. This topic is profitable for 8th, 9th and 10th classes. They also may take advantages from this video. Dear students, first of all, we will try to know what basically editing is. Editing is nothing but spotting errors in the given passage like this. You just need to correct them. The errors may be in form of models, the errors may be in form of verb, the errors may be in form of prepositions, the errors may be in form of pronouns, the errors may be in form of models, etc. One more thing that I want to share with you so that you may understood this editing. When you read the first line of the passage, you must be having an idea which sentence, which tense is used there. We shall consult this passage. Dear students, you will concentrate me. Last Monday, as soon as I entered, this passage starts with last Monday, means past tense. Means past tense. Last Monday indicates that this sentence, this passage begins with past tense. Last Monday, as soon as I entered. Enter is first form of verb. How this will be tolerated in past tense, whereas this is first form of verb. So we will write it here. The error. This is the error. Enter. And now we have to correct it. Last Monday, as soon as I entered, not enter, entered. Entered. दाखिल होना. Last Sunday, पिछली last Monday, जैसे ही मैं दाखिल हुआ, पास्ट की बात है, गुजरे हुए जमाने की बात है, जैसे ही मैं दाखिल हुआ, the examination hall, in the examination hall, it is full of students. It is full of students. Examination hall students से भरा हुआ था. Where is error? Where is error? We will see where is error. The examination hall, it is full of, is helping verb. Is does not suits there, as the passage begins with past tense. Is, this is error. The correction is was. The examination hall, it was full of students. It was full of students. Examiner was gazed me. Now we will see was. Examiner was gazed me. Was is past continuous verb. Past continuous verb. Was is always used past continuous tense plus ing form, but the verb is without ing form, so gazed is error. Gazed is error. The correction must be gazing. Must be gazing. Okay. It is full of students. Examiner was gazing me. मुझे घूर के देख रहा था. सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम. All the students looks little bit panic. सारे students थोड़ा बहुत पैनिक दिखाई दे रहे थे. But this is present sallallahu alaihi wasallam. All the students looks little bit panic. सारे स्टूडेंट जो थे वो पैनिक दिखाई दे रहे थे. But the passage begins with past tense. We can't write first form of verb. This is the issue of verb. So we have to correct it. Looks. Correction is looked. Now we will go on next line. They don't know well whether they can do good or not. First, they do not know. This is first form of verb. They do not know. They do not know. Do not does not suit in past tense. So we will convert it. Did not, didn't. Do not is error. Why it is error? Because the tense is past tense. Because the passage begins with past tense. You can't use do not. Did not is the appropriate word. They did not know whether they can do good or bad. Here is modal issue. Can is modal. Here is modal issue. Whether they can is not suitable. Can is error. We will convert it could. Could is suitable word. All the students looks little bit panic. They did not know well whether they could do good or not. उनको मालूम ही नहीं था कि वो अच्छा कर सकते थे या नहीं. I thought, next line, I thought it would be a best way. I thought it would be. यहां तक तो ठीक है. I thought it would be. यहां तक ठीक है. A best way. This is superlative degree. Best. Good, better and best. We always put the before superlative degrees. So here is article issue. A is error and there is it is correction. Now we will plunge on the last line of this passage. I thought it would be the best way of tackle the paper bravely. Here is another error that's in form of preposition of. But of is not suitable word there. This is error. Why? I thought it would be the best way. अच्छा तरीका होगा. मैंने सोचा कि अच्छा तरीका होगा कि टैकल करना bravely. किस पेपर को अच्छी तरीके से bravely टैकल करना. To is its correction. To is it is suitable correction. Now we will plunge on another passage. This passage begins with present tense. Why it is present tense? Kashmir is famous in every corner of the world. Kashmir is famous. This indicates that the passage begins with present tense. Kashmir is famous. ठीक है इतना. In every corner. ठीक है इतना. Of a world. यार कितने वर्ल्ड तो एक ही है. हाँ? This is particular thing. So this is article issue. We can't say a world. Kashmir is famous in every corner of the. A is error and there is its correction. Appropriate word. So अब क्या सेंटेंस बना? Kashmir is famous in every corner of the world. शाबाश. दूसरी लाइन पर हम जाएंगे. It have many lakes and springs. It refers here Kashmir. It क्या रेफर करता है? कश्मीर. It के साथ चूंकि कश्मीर सिंगुलर है और सिंगुलर के साथ हमेशा has लगता है. It has, that means have जो है that is error. Have is error and has is its appropriate correction. It has many lakes and springs. It was, once again, verb issue. It was a land of tents. Once again, tense issue. We now begin this passage with present tense, but here we saw was, while it is wrong. It was a land of great people like Sheikh Nuruddin. Was is error. Was is error. It should be is. It is a land of. It is a land of great people like Sheikh Nuruddin Wali. Thousands of people, next line, thousands of tourists visits this haven annually. Now you will focus on this line. Thousands of tourists visits this haven annually. हजारों की तादाद में टूरिस्ट जो है, सयाह जो है, यहाँ पर हर साल विजिट करने के लिए आते हैं कश्मीर. Thousands of tourists. This is plural. Thousands है टूरिस्ट. टूरिस्ट हजारों की तादाद में है. Visits this haven annually. जब प्लूरल होता है, जब प्लूरल फॉर्म होता है, तब visits, तब s फॉर्म नहीं आता है. That means thousands of tourists visit. Visits जो है, that is wrong form. That is error. That means visit. Because those जो subject है, that is subject is in form of plural. In form of plural. So plural के बाद जो है s form of verb नहीं लगता है. Next line, I proud himself. ये यहां पर I जो है, ये अपने आप पे फख्र करता है. I proud himself to be the part of this sacred land. मैं फख्र करता हूं अपने आप पे कि मैं इस sacred, इस मुकद्दस जमीन का हिस्सा हूं. I proud himself. यहां पर कौन सा इशू है? यहां पर है प्रोनाउन इशू. प्रोनाउन इशू. I proud myself. Himself जो है, that is error. Himself. और करेक्शन क्या है? That is myself. Myself. This is appropriate correction. Next line. It is also famous to hospitality throughout world. कश्मीर जो है, ये मेहमान नवाजी के लिए पूरे दुनिया में फेमस है. It is also famous to hospitality throughout world. What is error? It is also famous to is preposition error. Preposition error. यहां पर क्या आना चाहिए था? It is also famous for hospitality. ये मेहमान नवाजी के लिए माना जाता है. To is error and for is its correction. Okay. We will plunge on the next line. No doubt conditions are still not good. कोई शक नहीं है कि कंडीशंस जो है आज भी सही नहीं है. नो डाउट ए कंडीशंस, यहां से हम कंडीशंस लगाते हैं और यहां पर लगाते हैं ए. दैट मीन्स आर्टिकल इशू है यहां पर. नो डाउट द कंडीशंस आर स्टिल नॉट गुड. ए इज एरर and that is its appropriate correction. Now we will come on the next line. But everything are stable now. अगर conditions ठीक नहीं है अभी भी, but everything are stable now. हर एक चीज, यहां पर हम इसको अलग अलग करके देते हैं, but everything are stable now. are यहां से लिखते हैं everything, हर एक चीज are stable. That means are जो है, that is error. are वहां पर suitable word जो है, that is no doubt, but everything is stable now. Next line, we Kashmiri people have great regards for every human. हम कश्मीरी लोगों के लिए, हर एक इंसान के लिए अच्छी इज्जत है. We Kashmiri people have great regards for every human. हर एक इंसान के लिए हमारे दिलों में जो है क्या है? इज्जत है. We Kashmiri people has great regards. कहां पर एरर है? We Kashmiri people, यहां तक तो बिल्कुल ठीक है. We Kashmiri people has, this is wrong. यहां पर हम कश्मीरी पीपल लिखते हैं, पीपल मींस बहुत सारे लोग, और प्लूरल के साथ जो है हैज नहीं लगता है, हैज जो है हमेशा सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ लगता है, सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ लगता है। हियर इज पीपल, ये तो प्लूरल फॉर्म है। वे कश्मीरी पीपल have great regards for every human. So that means has is its error and have जो है that's appropriate form, that's appropriate correction. Next line, we Kashmiri people have great regards for every human, indiscriminate for caste, color, religion, etc. Indiscriminate for once again preposition issue. Indiscriminate of, not for. For is error, of is its correction. Now we can read it as we Kashmiri people have great regards for every human, indiscriminate of caste, color, religion, etc. Next line, I must say, मैं कह दूं, मैं बता दूं, I must say Kashmir herself is an integral part of paradise. कहां पर एरर है? I must say, यहां तक तो ठीक है, कश्मीर भी ठीक है, I must say कश्मीर herself, यहां पर कौन सा इशू है? यहां पर प्रोनाउन इशू है। I must say कश्मीर herself is एरर, आना चाहिए itself, चूंकि नॉन लिविंग थिंग है, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के साथ अक्सर हम itself लगाते हैं। I must say कश्मीर itself is an integral part of paradise. Last line जो है वो क्या हमें कहती है? That no one could deny. I must say कश्मीर itself is an integral part of, हाँ, I must say मैं कह दूं कि कश्मीर जो है पैराडाइज का एक इंटीग्रल पार्ट, इंटीग्रल हिस्सा है। That no one could deny, that no one could deny. हमारा जो पैसेज है that begins with present tense, सो मगर यहां पर जो है ये पास्ट टेंस आया है, यहां पर पास्ट फॉर्म आया है। ये जो एक could है, दिस बिलोंग्स टू, ये भी मॉडल है, ये भी मॉडल है, सो वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट। दिस इज रॉन्ग, दिस इज एरर, दैट नो वन कैन, could is error and can is it is appropriate word. Hope you all students understood. Dear students, this topic needs more and more practice that you will do at your homes. I will meet you in next video inshallah rahman, if God wills. I will come with another topic, and perhaps it would be direct to indirect, which is also called narrations. So till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.